Catalonia and Spain saw another spike in coronavirus cases today. Hello, this is Catalan News in 100 seconds. Today, outside the Fira de Barcelona exhibition centre, which is due to open tomorrow to take in up to 1,000 vulnerable people during this health crisis. Spain is about to reach 40,000 coronavirus cases and the death toll has surged to 2,700, the third highest in the world. Catalonia accounts for 1/5 of the cases, approaching 10,000. Spain's authorities hope for a prompt flattening of the curve, yet all administrations are getting ready for more pressure on hospitals.
Ens aproximem ja als 1.000 llits d'UCIs al nostre país. 658 avui són ingressos classificats per coronavirus.
La visibilidad de ese impacto se tiene que esperar en estos días. No sé si mañana, no sé si el viernes, pero se tiene que observar en estos días.
Spain's prosecutor has opened an investigation into 22 deaths due to COVID-19 of elderly people in 2 nursing homes in central Catalonia. Some opposition groups are also asking for an explanation.
Voldrien conèixer amb total transparència quines són les xifres exactes de persones contagiades, també de persones mortes i les condicions laborals del personal dels centres.
Air traffic in Barcelona has fallen over 85% compared to the same period last year. Flight bookings to Catalonia last week plummeted 245%, according to a report from the Catalan tourism agency. 4 Catalan pro-independence MEPs have called on the EU chamber to reallocate part of its expenses and savings to buy medical supplies. Such a move would generate up to €9 million, they say. The Catalan government backs the postponement of the Olympic Games until summer 2021. Talking to Catalan News, the sports secretary said no elite athletes in Catalonia can train for the Games. And that's it for today from outside the Fira de Barcelona exhibition centre, just below the city's iconic magic fountain. Thanks for watching and take care.